Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create custom sliders with the Testimonial Carousel. This is the life-saving tutorial. In my opinion, a lot of people are struggling to create Carousel and especially Testimonial Carousel. So you can do that and you can do multiple things with that. But the first thing, how? So what we are going to do on the left side of the menu, click on templates, and here we are just going to click on add new. Once you are here, what you need to do, just click on select, go to section, and here we are going to add, any name for that template. So I'm going with the demo over here, demo 1, and click on create template. So here we are going to create a template regarding our testimonial carousel. So let's say I want to create one card for testimonial carousel, and what we are going to do, we are going to add a container over here. So just click on this option. I'm going with this one. You can go either any one of them. It depends on you which kind of template you are going to create. I'm going a very normal and simple way to guide you how you can create it, right? So right now I'm going with the only one. On the left side of the menu, I'm going to change the width 380, and here I'm going with the box. And after that, we just need to go with the minimum height as much as you can go. And we have the gaps over here. Make sure to go with the 0. And that's it. After that, go to contents and start adding your content like videos, text editor, heading, image, Google Maps, and we have a lot of options over here which you can add in this section, right? So make sure to create that testimonial carousel related to yourself. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I have created this one. This is very simple, right? But to guide you how it works, so you can see that this is what I have made right now. After that, just click on publish. Now if we go back to the dashboard and hover over template and click on saved templates. So here on the right side, once you come over here, we have the short code. You just need to copy this. That's it. You created your own template, and let's say you created a testimonial obviously, and now you are going to add that, right? But how you can do that? So now I'm going to open up a new page to show you how you can create it. So let's see how it works. Once you are here, what you need to do, just click on the top left corner and search for testimonial carousel. Once you search that, you will see something like this. As you can see, what we are going to do, we are going to just delete all the items except one. After that, click on slide to roll at least 1 and 3 slides. Alright, what we are going to do, we are going to click on this first item and we are going to delete every single thing from here. Click delete on the image, delete the content, and even delete the name and the title. So once it's done, what we are going to do, we are just going to paste that code which we recently copied. And that's it. This is all you need to do. What if I want to preview this, right? So let's see how it looks like. Just click on publish. And if you go ahead and open that page, you can see that we get that preview also over here. And if not, let's see if we go back and create more items. I'm going to close this one. You can see on the right side, we are adding more items. We just did slide per view 3, and now the slide will scroll at least once. So this is how it looks like. But here at Elementor, when you're editing, it won't show anything. But once you update it and go back to that page again and click on refresh, you will see that it is working now. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to create custom sliders with testimonial carousel. It's one of the best tutorials out there. And right now I just added text and image to show you how it's done. You can create multiple things like Google Maps, contact info, or different brand slider if you want to create that like this. You can also do that. And obviously you can just go ahead in Elementor, and if you want to play around, you can also do that. This is one of the best thing you can do with the templates menu in Elementor. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.